Hi, my name is Shaylee Clark, and I'm here to teach you how to solve rational expressions algebraically. Our first example question for today is 5 over 2x minus 4 over 3x, which is equal to 7 over 18. Remember that x cannot equal 0. The first thing that we're going to do is get rid of the denominators and the x's in the denominators. By doing that, we're going to have to multiply by something that all of the numbers in the denominators have in common. The first thing that you will notice is that 2 and 3 would go into 18. This is why we multiply by 18. You can see here that the two factors, 2 and 3, are also factors of 18, which means the equation would work without giving decimals. Another thing that we forgot is the x's. We also want to make sure that we get out the x's from the denominators, so we would also multiply by 18x. When you multiply by 18x, you're going to get rid of both the x's and divide 18 by 2, which equals 9. You do this for all of the equations, so 18 divided by 3 is 6, and here you would get rid of the two 18s and you'll be left with 7x. 9 times 5 is 45, 6 times 4 is 24, and bring down that subtraction sign and you'll get 21 equals 7x. Divide by 7 and you'll get x equals 3. The next equation we are going to learn is different from the first equation. You will notice that we aren't adding or subtracting anything. The equation is 2x minus 5 over x minus 4 is equal to 11. We're trying to solve for x. Something you might notice is that the two fractions have common denominators. This means we won't have to multiply anything to make them the same. In order to find x, we're just going to set 2x minus 5 equal to 11, then solve for x. Once we're finished solving for x, we should get x equals 8. The next thing that we're going to do is check our work and plug in 8 for x. When we do this, we're going to get 2 times 8 minus 5 over 8 minus 4 equals 11 over 8 minus 4. 2 times 8 is 16 minus 5 is 4, or under 4, and then we'll get the same answers. That means we know that we've done our work correctly. We just want to shout out our sponsors, Expo Markers. I do suggest them having cheaper markers sold at Harris Teeter on Holly Springs Road. It would be very awesome if we had to do one of these, and I knew that I could count on Expo. Thank you, Expo.